Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to explain about the grid view in Flutter. We are implementing here GridView.count and the grid view builder with the mobs list, right? Okay. This is my VS Code. I just freshly create the new project here. I remove the unwanted code that we are not going to using here. This is our home page, the my home page, right? We can see in the main.dart file here where just remove the unused code, and in the home we pass here the home page, this home page widget. Okay, then in the body we have only one container, and the next thing we have to do in the popsec.ml file, we have to fix the path of these assets first. Then we fix like this, then we move on to next. Here we have this asset strings, those images we are using here. How I did here is, just create one directory in the root of this folder, then assets, and inside the assets we create the one more directory is the images, and images with the add this all the image. I will provide the code in the GitHub along with these assets. And after that we need to have this one model, movies model, then we'll going to use this later, right? So next thing we have to do, create the one list, then we'll set that list in the grid view. Okay, we are ready to go now. Then we'll go to the home page. Inside the home page we have to create the one list, right? And I already have the one I ready to go now. I just paste here, this is our list, right? Then I'll fix this import. Okay, we can see here this is our list here. We have here title, description and image, three fields, right? I prepared already this list. Now we are going to set this list. Okay, then we have here one container. Then here we are implementing two things, right? I'll just comment here. One is we are implement through the grid view using the count. Second thing is we are here implement to builder. Which one is convenient for you, or you also find the differences between why you use the count and why you use the builder, then you can use any of those. Okay, just like what are the benefits of the count and what are the benefits of the builder, right? And I will discuss later. Then you can use which one is convenient for you in your purpose of your applications. First, here we are implementing using the builder. First we have to implement the count first. Okay, just here this GridView.count. okay, then it is a request for the first cross-axis count. This means how many element we are going to setting here. Then the number of the element means the movies list, the length of the movies list, movies that length, finish. And the next thing is requesting for the trailing comma. Okay, process element, then the cross-axis count, cross-axis. Okay, we'll do it later while we're running the program. Then the children should be list dot generate. Then we have the movies that length, total in this, and it provide the index to us, right? Then it should be return one. We are returning now container. For now container. Okay, let's see what happens here. We just run this code inside our emulator, then we can see here what is happening here, what output we are expecting and what we are getting here. Okay, Then we can modify this output according to us, according to our convenient. For now, I'm just making some color here, color state red, and some I'm providing. Okay, for now I'm just giving the color and just height for now. For now I just give it to height like 30 pixels for now. Okay, let's wait for the loading, then we can see what output we expect. And until now we'll do the same things for here. Okay, I'm making to this home page too, because we are implementing two things. One is builder, one is the count, right? Then we are implementing the same things for this two. I'll just change this as a home page too. Then we will do those two things simultaneously. First we'll do with the count, then after that we'll go for the builder as well. Okay, it is taking the few more time. Okay, whatever the confusion or doubt, you can just share to the comment box. Also, I'll access to the GitHub link. You can directly get the code through the GitHub link as well. Okay, here our app is done. It is going to running now. Okay, something is happening here, I think. Okay, everything all right. Just wait for a while, then it will run. Okay, everything all right. Okay, we can see here we have this grid, and inside the grid we don't have nothing here, right? Then we have to, the cross axis count, I make it not 3. This is my mistakes. This cross axis count means how many items we need in one row. This means we are just pressing the 2 item for now. And we have to do some more things as well, just like the cross axis spacing. We are meeting this, means the vertical spacing, right, 5, and main axis spacing we are spacing like the 5 as well from all the sides. Okay, then the next thing we have to do here is, suppose we have this space in the container. I will make it as a padding. Okay, margin, I will give some margin here for this container. Margin is that symmetric, horizontal 10, vertical 10. Okay, I'll just run this again. Why the reflection is not happening here? This is the problem. Okay, there's no issue. First we're gonna set here inside this child, we are adding image.asset, then the asset name should be movies index. Okay, movies name should be its index. Then what will we see here? We're seeing nothing here. I'm removing this color as well, because why this not working here? Oh, sorry, I coding this home too. This is the reason. Okay, no issue. Okay, we can see the reflection in home too as well, right? Then we get the issue here. What we see from movies instance is not created. at all. Okay, this movies. Okay, then index, then we have to access image. Okay, is it image datasset? Why this is not working? It's still not working. Assets to gravity. Okay, here the one issue as well. We need to fix this as well, because we have here after the asset one more folder. The folder name is slash images slash. Okay, then it should be work. Okay, now it is working. We here implement using what we use here, the count one, right? Then we can add here as well box. Okay, fit box fit dot cover, right? Then it is looking like this one. In my perception, it is really looking cool for me. Then no need to be adding any parts, because last time we are going through the wrong container. Even okay, we don't need this as well, because we are not implementing anything here from here. Okay, then just remove this as well, right? I'm removing this widget as well. Wrap widget, remove widget. Where is the remove widget? Okay, there is no option. Okay, we are doing it manually. Okay, this is our final output here. Okay, then the next thing we can do here is we can wrap this grid view as some container and margin const is insert that all the size 10. Okay, then it should be more really nice one. Okay, this is our grid view we implement just now. Okay, then we can make it nice here, just adding some container here, sorry, column. We have here one column here. Inside the column, then we can add text, right? Here the text is I'll make it as like this: movies index dot title. This will be the title. Here's the workflow. Then we can make it as 97. Okay, because we don't have any proper width of this container. Then okay, then we can make shrink wrap. We have to make it true. Then whenever we have the more space, then it will manage automatically. Another thing is you have the multiple widget, then that time it also fix automatically. For this we have to maintain like the widget with how we can fix this. Okay, just give some space to the container. Okay, it should be 300. Okay, also we can do this by providing the size of the image. Height, it means just 70, right? Okay, here the missing thing is this aspect ratio. I just put here the 65, 0.65, then it is looking good. I can make some more thing here as well, just like we can make it as a in one container. Then we can give some color as well. Okay, color, and color start green. Okay, green is okay. Okay, then the width double it infinite. Okay, it will go through the wall, right? Then fail. Okay, look, there's a fail. Okay, it is not looking nice. We can fix this by providing the height as well. If you're not giving any height here, then it should be fine. But the problem in the height, right? Then we can fix it by providing the fixed height to all, right? Then we can make it like okay, height 300 is too much. Is 250 is enough. Okay, then width should be 100. Is 200 is enough. Okay, I'll give him height and width. Then it's looking more nice, and we can provide some style here. Style, text style, font size. It's 18 and font weight dot bold and font color dot white. It's looking more good now, and we just print const here. Okay, then on top, what happened here? Okay, some issue on this image is right. Then we have to fix all those. It's 19. Then we made the 70 as well. Okay, it's content 240 is okay. 230 is absolutely fine for all. Okay, oh, because of that length. Okay, 250 is nice for now. Then we can fix it by decreasing the routine font. Okay, now okay. Then we wrap everything in one card. Then it's looking good now, right? Okay, like this way we can make it like this one. Okay, then if how the card is look like, we can change the color of the outside one as well. Colors that amber. Then see how our element are aligned here. This way we can implement the grid view in Flutter. Okay, then the next thing is we are going to implement using the builder as well. And for that we are using this view, this all not view, this not all view, but only the element of this card. We are reuse this card because in Flutter we have to reuse all the widgets. For that I'm just making this as a widget. Okay, extract as a widgets. Okay, and then this is app card view. Okay, I make it as app card view here. Then for this index, okay, we are also passing the index as well. Index as well. This index should be the integer. Okay, integer. Then we're passing here index as well. Index as well. Okay. The next thing is we have this widget, stateless widget. Then we have here, I'm just creating one here one folder widgets here. Inside this widget we have this one. Okay, what is this called? It's called app chart. Then we have here everything, then widgets then from this material chart, and this movies as well. Now need this widget. Okay, inside here then we have this input this app card view. This is working fine now. Then also we go through the another builder method as well. Then for that we are using the home one. Then here in home one we have here nothing, right? Then we have here implementing the same thing as well. And then we here implement as a builder. Okay, build, right? Not here. Here builder. Then inside the builder we have the grid delegate. I'm removing everything from this as well. Okay, first thing this needs the grid delegate. Now grid delegate is silver grid delegate with we're using here fixed cross-axis count. Okay, then the cross-axis count is 2 for now here. Okay, we'll use the other thing later. The next thing is we have here item count. Item count is movies dot length. The next thing we have to here is item builder. Then it should be written with context and index. Okay. Then here we returning that we created the card view, app card view, movies and index. We written everything here, right? Then if you do like this, then it's showing this error as well, right? Then here we have to fix this cross-axis count and the main axis count, right? Then we have to here, what we did here is a style aspect ratio, just like we have ratio. Okay, not here. Child aspect ratio is 0.65. Then we put like this, then it should be fixed and it is looking good. Then in the below you can add the description as well, and it is looking really nice. And one more thing we can do is one container here, then we can put here some margin, edge inserts that all can have the margin to all the side. Then see, it's really looking nice, right? Then we have to do one more thing here as well. Inside this container we have some padding, add inserts that symmetric horizontal padding from the 10. Then the text also looking really good. Then the previous one, it is looking good. I will set it as 5 as well. It's okay now. This means for this tutorial, and this next tutorial we'll move on. Okay, thanks so much for the watching. Okay, this is our final output. We implemented two things here as well.